Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. If you want to see how dangerous my driving job is, check this out. We're in a little roundabout. Watch what happens. Literally a bike, appears from nowhere. We're seconds away from having the accident. Luckily for us, you're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, and we're now going to go through what exactly happened. Let's rewind. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you got a driving test coming up or you just want to be a better driver, then definitely watch this video to the end. We got quite a few clips and real life examples of how you should be driving or how you should not be driving, as we're going to show you what you should be doing from your fully qualified driving instructor. So quite a few things are going to happen in these clips. Let's go through it. Don't forget guys to like, share and subscribe. Slower, scan on the right and ahead and right and ahead. Keep scanning, keep scanning, keep scanning. Double check that right, get ready. And double check, double check. That was just a small snippet of how we teach some of our students depending on the level they're at. So in this situation, I know you guys can't see fully, but our right was slightly blocked off. We were slow enough to approach it as we did. We had good speed. But this bike appeared from nowhere quite fast, and then we had to react. And luckily for us, we were slow enough. As I said, you're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor. We were under control nonetheless. Anyway, how else could we approach this? The other option was to just literally stop. Okay, so he came from nowhere, and in our clip further on you're going to see why our student was questioning whether the bike should have stopped for his right, and that's the reason why my student decided to go, because he assumed the bike was going to move off. But anyway, let's look at it from the driving point of view, how the examiner wants you to drive in this situation. As I said, depending on the level of student determines how vocal we're going to be in our driving lesson. So some students need step-by-step guidance, some need to be questioned what they should do, some need to be prompted. So in this situation, as we get there, we should be looking right. You can't even see because of the building on the right, but as you get there, we should be slow enough to react and stop if need be. In this situation, we were slow enough. The bike came from nowhere, but unfortunately, we didn't stop. The better decision should have been to stop the car. Therefore, you would avoid a major fault.
He have stopped because of the bus and the.
He was faster,
Oh, he's fast,
so if
okay.
he feels like he can make it,
Yeah.
he still has that right to go to. As you can hear from the student, a very good question to ask. Should the bike have stopped for this bus? Because a bus was on his right or her right, whoever's driving. Of course they can, but of course they have to understand also, my student that is, that maybe they can make it before the bus comes closer to the giveaway line. So there's a bit of a gap. The bus is slightly slower. He felt that, or she felt that they can make it, therefore they have the right to come first, and we have to be the one to react to our right. So therefore we have to be the one to stop and react first. Okay? But if you want to understand deeper into exactly what happened, so the answer we gave initially was a GCSE answer, but let's look at the university answer, which is actually this silver car, which my student didn't see probably because he was asking me about the bus, but actually this car, this silver car here, was blocking the bus. Therefore the bike probably assumed he can make it, so therefore he used that grey car as a blocker to move. But obviously my student was looking at the right, maybe he did look ahead and he saw the bus. Maybe he didn't see the grey car, so the grey car was actually the reason why the bike decided to go first. Okay, so good question from the student. You can see the levels. Every student has different levels. Okay, that's one thing when you're learning to drive, you're going to understand. And as you gain more and more road experience, you're going to change your way of thinking. Today you're saying, okay, I could have gone. Tomorrow you're going to say the safest decision is to wait. Let's show you another example. Like I said, because you're not driving, maybe you're stuck at home, maybe you don't have access to a car, or your driving instructor is busy. Watch these clips. They're going to show you how you should be thinking in your driving test as well as your driving lesson with myself, your fully qualified driving instructor. We're coming up to a roundabout here, and we're taking the third exit. So what you should be doing is hogging the far right lane. Watch what our student does. As you get there, you're going to see there's no road markings on the floor, but it's quite wide. Look how close my student stuck to the inside of the roundabout. So you have to imagine there's two lanes, and as you go past the second exit, you check your left mirror and cut across. Let me just show you that again. So what I want you to take from this clip is watch how the student hogs the inside lane. If there's no road markings, so the road is quite wide, you can fit two cars in, and you're taking the third exit, hog the right and stick to the inside here. Do not be in the center. Okay, because then the examiner might think you're cutting across. And then make sure you count the X's 1, 2. After 2, check your left mirror, indicate, and move across. So that's one thing I want you to pick up. Hog the lane that you're in. If there's no road markings, imagine there is. Let me know if this video was useful. If so, comment below. If not, let me know and I'll try to improve the videos. Do watch our other videos where we go through how to pass your driving test, how to impress your driving examiner. And don't forget guys to like, share and subscribe. It's only a button but it makes a big difference to our channel. Thank you for watching.